I just came across this cafe alley where there are many cafes. Một cafe swap. I just ordered this cold coffee. It's cold and it comes with a glass of tea. Very strong. I just ordered chicken pho. Train is 10 o'clock and the boarding is 45 minutes before. So I'm getting ready now, and the train to Sapa is upstairs. It says like 2A, 2B, so meaning going upstairs. It's the gate, 2A, 2B. This one? Yeah. Okay, come on. It's the luxurious one, but mine is one, so it's the front. See, these are the luxurious trains. Mine is one. So this is my cabin. So mine is. Oh, so this is the. So the luggage, just put nice here. If I have a bigger luggage, I don't think I can put there. So this is my bed for the next, I don't know how many hours. When you want to climb, you have to step on both. Quick tour. Let's put the stuff here. That's why I quite like to take the upper bunk. So this is my bed. It's the morning now. We are approaching to Lao Cai. Is 5:55, so the train took from 10 in the evening to now 5:55. Okay. Come on. Took the whole night train coming here. Well, here. Con này. Ai? Giờ chắc kia I'm just surprised why there are two trains tonight back to Hanoi. So station, so the last two.
Kia là hòa trong hai thằng nữa kìa, anh thấy rồi.
So just now that was the mini bus, and this is the bus stop just across the station. Okay. Hi. Just got myself a banh mi for breakfast. And the lady speak Malay. There's the bus going. So there'll be the bus. Special minivan from the station, train station is 55,000. Then the mini bus is 40,000, and I'm taking the ordinary bus. Apparently, the big bus is not going to Sapa because of the road. So it's just across the station. Then this is where you get the bus. 40,000. It used to be 30,000. Now is 40,000. So I'm on the bus to Sapa. We are now in Sapa. I'm gonna get down on the last stop. I just arrived at Sapa finally after a long trip from Hanoi airport, and now I'm heading to my hotel. The check-in time is 1 p.m. so I'll just wait around at the lobby. Okay. My room rate has no breakfast included, but if somebody wants the breakfast, these are the selections. I just checked in, I got my key 406. I'm going up to my room. Okay. I look so tired because I haven't been traveling from Singapore all the way here to Sapa. Wow! Coffee and tea. It's a construction site. Are not gravestones. Okay, that's all for this video of my journey from Singapore all the way to Sapa. See you again. Bye bye.